Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix 1xBet Google Authenticator. This is really simple. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next, on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50 you get $150. All you have to do is to head directly to the menu icon at the bottom right, and next you're going to find out the settings icon in the top right. So you're just going to click on the setting, and now you're just going to head on security setting here at the section of security. So you're just going to click on security setting, and next you're going to find out security question, two-factor authentication, personal profile, prevent login via email. So you're just going to click on two-factor authentication, and here you're going to see install Google Authenticator. So what you're going to do is to click on install Google Authenticator, and to proceed in giving all the information of your 1xBet account needed by Google Authenticator. So this is going to fix it. Alright, so what you're going to do now is just to confirm the authentication by clicking on confirm after authentication has been completed, and next you're just going to head out and this will be done. Alright, and this is as simple as that.